good day, good evening, good afternoon sa iyong tanan. Hi, hello. Kumusta naman mo? Unta na okay ra mo? Welcome sa ato ang first episode. This is the first episode of a podcast that we love and we planned it so much. No, char. Yes, welcome sa atong unsa man gyud, no? Unsa man gyud ni. Sabi nga nila unsa man gyud. This is the podcast na sabi nga namin parang walang patutunguhan to, but everything under the sun, it's free. It's everything. Baka later on is we can do some puksaan. Everything under the sun. And by the way, ako dai si Panpan. You can call me Ati Pan. Kauban ako, akong kauban diri ang mga 40 years among gatsak. Dilira. Yes.
So, ako dahil si Jebby, so kay estudyante karon.
Ako kay professional tambay ngayon. You know, what's the main thing about being kanaganing tambay na kasay mo ang kinabuhi karon? Because you learn to unlearn things and when you reflect ba nga, naara gani ka permi sa inyong balay, like you are isolated. Kasi nga, di ba, parang ngayon lang ako nabuhay again. Phoenix again. Like, rebirth din ako karon. Like, ngayon lang ako nagpakita outro for, I think, almost 2 years already. And I think, wala na ko noon, nawala na ako sa social media dyan. Did you know that?
Nawala sa digital footprint.
Wala na. Actually, hindi na talagang hindi lang sa digital, talagang nawala. Nawala sa Butuan, nawala
Public
sa
life.
Mindanao, and nawala sa balay. Mabutahan ako yun. Kay, sometimes, you know, when you turn daw in the 30s mo na daw, Jebs, kanang, sometimes you want to become the caveman. Nandun sa history ba nga. Gusto lang ka mo atog kuweba and isolate yourself. And sabi nila, it's a bad thing. But for me, it's a good thing because when you were in that situation, dagan kay kag ma-learn gani, James.
Ma-reflect sa mong life.
Bata pa manggod ka.
Tinuod. Medyo ha?
Nag-house na ni
Mato sa cave.
Pero totoo yan, been with many places outside and inside the Philippines, outside and inside Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and many people nga imuhang ma-meet. And the same, no? The same reflection, the same thing, the same emotions. And I think mo po na yung nakapag-aghat na ako that I came back, that's why I came back to Butuan and tried to, you know, be myself again and magyaw-yaw. Kay saba kay ko sa una, Jeff, no?
Tinuod. Na-mute og kalit.
Na-stop. 17 years old pa lang ako, nagbanha-banha na ako, na feeling na ako kay may karapatan akong magbanha. Like, I'm so free, I can tell the world, I can change the world because that's what I dream about, no? And pag mag-30s nakakapen, ayun na, may pangutan na ang kape. Kanang, ayun, I came, moto kong ibalik nga, kan kag-reflection sa kinabuhi nga dili po day sometimes okay ning parang nag-steady lang gani ka. Like sometimes mo abot na sa imo ba nga ayaw mo na makialam, like you want to be indifferent, you want to be apolitical. Sa imong kabanha, sabi nga nila, mo na daw na imong peak sa anger when you become so silent. Anyway, you introduce our guest right now.
Ang atong makauban karon kay usa ka practicing lawyer o usa ka partner sa O'Darby Demel and Partners Law Offices. Grabe ka tsada sa kanang taas na ako. And also, usa ka part-time lecturer sa law school sa FSUU and also sa College of Northern Mindanao. College of Criminal Justice Education. Ayan. So, itong makauban karon si Attorney Diana. Hi, Attorney.
Hello.
Attorney D.
So,
hi, Attorney D. How are you?
Attorney D. Among
yeah.
itaw. Okay.
Really good. And thank you for inviting me sa inyong podcast. No? And to Ma'am Pan, thank you for escaping your cave for a bit.
Gawas
and to be honest, we need her light in Butuan. We missed her for 2 years.
2 years na. Ano no?
A lot has changed.
Actually, daghan yun. Like, daghay coffee shop and in fairness to Butuan, traffic na kaya mo dito. Ginagdag mo diri ha. Pero yun, ma-enjoy lagi akon ka, naikape, daghan kayo. And ganahan ko sa point na naikape ba kay mag-consular attorney, no? Kanang magtipok yun.
Gathering.
Yun
More community-based.
Na
Yes.
social, kape, sige na tawag chat-chat, ani sa atong messenger, sa atong Viber. Kita ta diri.
Tama, mga coffee shops.
But thank you so much, attorney. attorney, for
Sure.
saying yes.
It's my honor. It's my pleasure.
Thank you,
Yan,
thank
thank
you
you.
so much. And yun nga,
Yes,
namin din actually, attorney, kay we want a legal lenses ba? Kasi kung kami ang mag-istorya, way mo to na
Mao
mo.
galit.
Ako nga professional tambay, siya nga estudyante, delikado na. Professional tambay nga
Bisagon sa nalay istorya.
Oo, pareha ganina.
Oh,
So,
galit.
actually,
Sige,
nagkakita ko may
samabot.
istorya yung basig dili pwede ni, nabi limiting podcast, basig legally, I can.
Pwede raw iti.
Bagay na dahil, tutot na to ha, kinsa editor, itutot please, no?
Tinood.
Itutot po niya akong mata basin na sa yes, attorney, thank you. And hopefully this afternoon, or kaning adlaw, buntag, gabi, hindi na tayo makabaloon sa nani nga, sa
Pwede ka
nga
na
oras
sa makita.
ngayon. Oo.
Yes.
Maka-learn gid ko ani no, and morning maka-spark na ko nga conversation nga oy murag
Dili na mo balik sa cave.
diri na
Magstay na ka din.
di na kay hassle kay mag-cave kay magtanong-tanong manggugkas.
Yes. Pero kami kabugat sa first nga topic pagawas nimo sa cave no,
Impeachment
impeachment.
dayon.
Yeah.
Pwede, sabi nga natin off air ganun, pwede love. So, okay. I miss love. Hey. But saying love, that you miss love, you miss also kanaging being so political and
Love of country na lang.
Yeah.
Ayun. Take mo to your
Naging
right.
na, no? Ng love of, nawala na ba yung attorney, no? Kanang, di na kayo ng, usay, kanang kapuya na
No,
magkamaminaw.
that's true. You become jaded eh.
Mm.
Eventually, if you pour your heart and then nothing changes,
Happens, yes.
you
Makahilak
feel
na dayon.
jaded, no?
Kaya
Pero-
may reason nga
Oo.
nato ka.
Yeah.
But,
Pero if people will stop pouring their hearts out, then nothing will happen to our country.
tama po.
True.
Kung matutanan sa cave, wala na.
Mag-recruit na ba tanan kung
Ano yan sila may mahitabuan kung wala na yung
Hindi,
magbanha.
nindot sila dito kaya na may falls akong cave.
At least kato na lang yung magbanha. Okay,
We're curious
sige.
na kung gaano ang cave do.
Interesting. Package ba na para mo adto?
At ano yung sige. Cash on delivery, gusto mo isa din ako. Yes, na ay ongoing impeachment. And ngayon, attorney, muraog, ikaduha na ba ni sa Pilipinas, if I'm not mistaken?
No, there have
Katulo.
been a lot of impeachment
Trials.
trials
Trial,
already
marang
na.
katulo na,
Chief
diba?
Justice Corona,
Yes.
President
that
Erap
era.
before.
Yes.
And they tried also to impeach Chief Justice Sereno.
Sereno,
Oh.
yes.
But they availed of a different mode of
Yes.
removing her from office.
Katong
which was
kawaran
the
to,
kawaran
diba?
to,
Yes.
yeah.
Diba,
Tapas na yung ana sa
makarelate lagi
kwan.
mo.
Nana
Di
sa
na
mong
ko
constilo.
ka-memorize.
Nana sa mong constilo. Lisod kayo ng recitation.
Hulo mo kasabay, gusto mong ma-teacher ni sa pool sa'yo. Adto mo, kakabalo nga si Erap, gipit sa'yo, 2002.
Tinood.
So, yun. So, kana, unsa man gid ning impeachment, attorney? Like, para sa ako nga, mga kaubanan sa pagtuo, mga kaubanan nga naghilom-hilom, mga
Sa
kaubanan sa suffering, mga kaubanan sa gugma.
Yes.
Kaubanan sa kuweba. Unsa din ning impeachment?
I think we have to start kanins pagstorya nato about impeachment with the legal context of, or rather the legal saying na public office is a public trust. So it all emanates from there. So may pasabot nato ana, all our officials in government are there simply because the people put their trust into them. So kung naa sila'y mabuhat na pagsupak or pagbali ana nga pagsalig, naa sila'y gibuhat nga pagsupak sa atong balaod or sa atong constitution, and then dapat lang nga bawion ang pagsalig or ang gahom nga naa sa ila sa katawhan. So dira mo sulod ang impeachment. So what is it really? It is a mechanism given provided under the Constitution that basically enables Congress, no? Pwede niya susihon kung kani siya nga opisyal, dapat pa ba ni siya nga magpuyo or magstay in that particular position.
So basically, mura ka og kaning impeachment, mura bang nagpatawag sa HR nga hoy admin
Yes.
na kay kaso ha, na kay reklamo.
Nakay na
diri.
buhat.
Oo.
Oh.
So kit tayo 'yon.
It is a means of exacting accountability.
Yes.
Yes.
But attorney, accountability kay kinsa man, kay you said nga Congress, but who does Congress exact accountability to?
Okay, under the Constitution, there are just really a specific set of people nga pwede nato ma-impeach. Okay, first and foremost, of course, is our President. Second is our Vice President, tong Vice Presidente. Katulo, mga miyembro sa Supreme Court. So as we've already discussed earlier, they've tried it with two Chief Justices, no?
Yes.
Chief Justice Corona and Chief Justice Sereno.
Sereno.
And then lastly, we have the members of our constitutional commissions.
Commissions, yes.
You have there your COMELEC, your Commission on
COA.
Audit, your Civil Service Commission, and of course, the Ombudsman.
Mm.
If you look at it, all of those officials, they hold really power yun, no?
Grabe kagamhanan.
Grabe
Actually,
kagamhanan. So, the higher the position of trust reposed to you, dapat the higher of level of accountability also ang imong mapakita sa katawhan.
So, na-question attorney ba nga, nganong Congress o Senate man ang judge, di day pwede ang atong, of course, kung impeachable po sila. Pero nganong sila man po dapat nga, mga politiko man po ni.
Tino.
Di ba? Kanang question niya ba nga, impeachment.
Masaligan pa rin na sila dira.
Oh, kasi kung
Di
ako
ba?
mo tanaw, Jebby, impeachment is just a political movement. But for me, yes, I understand. Pero nga naman, attorney.
It really is. I agree with you. It is really a political movement. No? As to you, you're saying kanina na do we trust them, no? Essentially, siguro, ibutang nato ng the framers of the Constitution, siguro, the 1987 Constitution, at that time, trustworthy pa ang officials, No?
Okay pa. So, karon dili
Pero,
na kay at that time, man.
Kuan
Debatable na siya, no?
Okay.
Pero,
Depende.
basically, it's really the Constitution that says so. So, the Constitution says, no, nga, the power to initiate an impeachment proceeding solely lies with the House of Representatives. The power to hear and try the impeachment proceeding solely lies with the Senate. So, that's really a constitutional mechanism. Mura na siyang check and balance. Okay? And essentially also, if you look at it, ang atong mga tao dira sa Congress and the senators, they are just representatives of the people.
Exactly.
So, basically, it is the wisdom of the framers na since they were chosen by the people, they are essentially following the voice of the people.
Representing us.
Yes.
Tama.
Kinta, attorney,
Representatives.
kita ko nga, kita man ko itong butang nato, kinsa man nga, butang nato, AJ or Associate Justice, kay impeachable po sila.
Yes,
attorney,
member
tama.
of the
Yes.
court.
The member of the Supreme Court. Kaya kita ko murag, gikuan gini ang public trust. Pwede ba nga si Panpan mo, adto dito, oy, congressman, murag kita ko og somebody, no? I-impeach ni, no?
Tama.
Murag yan na, pwede ba na
Pwede
buhaton
ba
ni
na?
Panpan?
Actually, that is one of the modes of initiating an impeachment process nga nasa tong Constitution. And I think it's actually one of the beautiful things about that. No?
But
That-
never na na-happen pa sa Philippines.
There has been attempts, actually, even the infamous one karon, the current one.
Yes.
There are
Our
certain
BC.
there are certain articles of impeachment that actually emanated from complaints of common people.
Citizens, Filipinos.
So,
Yes.
it's allowed. Okay? Under the law na ay tulo ka modes. First is that it would be initiated by any member of the Congress.
House.
Okay?
Okay.
Any member of the House of Representatives. Second is, if a verified complaint would be initiated by at least 1/3 of members of the entire House of Congress. Okay? And third and lastly, muna to tong istoryahan, no? So, ordinary people, mga yano lang, ikaw, ako, kung naatay makitaan nga culpable violation or really violation of the Constitution nga, gusto nato ipasa ka, pwede.
What is that violation? Spelling.
Culpable violation.
Kanay nga natin eh. Kay usay permi na madungog sa radyo, sa TV, mabasa sa dyaryo, mabasa sa social media.
Ground for
Pero
impeachment.
lalaki og pagsabot.
Definition,
Kay
unsa na
mingon
siya?
man sila nga, "Oy, hindi, popular to kay, di ba, naka-impeach na tayo president, who was then so popular. And CJ mga popular yun. And ngayon, ang ating vice presidente, popular
Also
din.
popular,
And
yes.
loved. Kumbaga, no? O, di ba? Gugma pa siya nito. Gugma lagi tayo. So, unsa ba nini nga mga violation? Para masabtan na mo ba nga? Unsa ni nga violation?
Okay. So, under the Constitution, good, na ay 6 grounds. No? Di magud pwede nga, kundi lang ko ganahan sa iya. Magpasahaw og impeachment
Kanang
complaint.
dili ko ganan kay pangit ka og hair, nagpa-short ka. Kanang
No,
Pa-short na nagbalik.
Oh, dili ko. Ganahan na. Ay, kulot be. Charot.
if that's the case, na di na sila magundang sa Senate. Kada bulan na lang na sila i-impeach na official with how divisive our politics is. Correct.
Correct.
Pero under the Constitution na lang giunom. Okay? So, what are those? So, first is your culpable violation of the Constitution. Second is your treason. Third, bribery. Fourth, graft and corruption. 5, other high crimes. And lastly, mo na ang ginatawag nila nga betrayal of public trust.
Kay mo man na public office is public trust.
Tama ko, so
Kung sa may muraog ka ng para ma-picture out lang ng mga attorney ng culpable violation ba ng
ang treason, ang bribery, kaya
Oo,
masabtan.
masabtan nga nag-traidor ka, naghatag ka, o nag-corrupt man na basically, nang-bribe ka. So,
Pero
sa
what
man na
is culpable
violation.
So,
When we say manggod violation of the Constitution, actually naman tayong mga well-meaning lawmakers who do violate the Constitution. Sometimes, how do I say that? No? Why do I say that rather? Kanang naaman tayong mga balaod nga na ipasanina, well-meaning talaga. Like for instance, kadtong we have laws that protect women and so on and so forth, but eventually the Supreme Court ruled na it is violative of the Equal Protection Clause, no, rather, or the due process or whatever you have. So nagi instances na our lawmakers craft laws that violate the Constitution, pero it came from a well-meaning heart, kumbaga, in good faith. So karon pag may yung culpable violation, when you look at the word culpable, it means willful or deliberate sa may pasabot. Kanang ang ilang pagsupak sa atong constitution, grabe ka bugat, grabe ka lalom, og tinuyuan gyud. So essentially, they did not respect the Constitution, and we have to take note, the Constitution is really the voice of the people. Okay?
Maskin tiguang na kaya tong constitution, mao pa gihapon na
Yes.
tumbanan, springboard, tanan, mao na yung
40
tumbanan.
years na, diba?
Mag 40
Oh, but
years na siya.
It's not dili na siya katigo lang, ha? Kay ina na katigo lang, the Constitution of America is hundreds years
na.
old,
Oo.
right?
same.
Ay, traitor man yung okay ni, kung ni regenerate man, nag-regenerate na rebirth. Anyway, yes.
So, what is the meaning sa culpable? Tahasan or kanang mo yung tinuyuan violate sa Constitution?
Deliberate,
Yes.
well, kapisat po na nang inainga nga politiko, no? Nangaunsa na day mo, Char. Ingon ko nga way attack, no? Nangatake na ako, Char. Bito, kanang makakuha ng ka-attorney, no? Like, sabi ko nang deliberate ni mo nga pag-violate sa mga tao nga ikaw man tayo nakabutang dira. Murag lala ba kung baga. So far, katong kang CJ, kuan lang, murag kang CJ Corona is unsa tong ground niya gani ato.
If I'm not mistaken, I think it related to graft and corruption.
Yes, oh.
Because they were trying to
That point.
impute that he got ill-gotten wealth.
Yes.
Dollar accounts, di ba, ang kadungtong yan sa pot stilo.
Diba,
Tama bitaw. Lisod ra ba na siya?
Nagyaw-yaw pa si the late Senator Miriam.
Yes.
Karon nga perminti na nga clip na makita mo ito.
Actually, sa YouTube, mubalik galing
Mubalik
siya.
gid sa-
After watch ng impeachment, mubalik mo
Correct.
pang up, balik ang iyang
Mubalik
mga
permanente.
pangasaba. So,
Yeah. Kay,
idol or ba kayo siya?
weird man good attorney kana bang mutanaw kag impeachment yun kay mura gid siya korte. Daghan may kriminal ay na may daghang kaso, civil, kriminal, ana. Nya kung kami mutanaw lang perfect ning prosecution okay na ilang burden of proof na kay pangit yung argument ba atik-atik ra mo dira pero ngayon ka na silang burden of proof so gusto may criminal case ba ni ko ay
Sa
perfect
klase nga.
perfect news for daot po ning defense so nagpataka na yo baklawa tong nahiyakay mo ni prosecution kanang mayon na so kasi pamaagi ni attorney mura ra ba ni siya kung ako gikasuhan the same ba ko na gikasuhan pud aning gikasuhan og impeachment ka government official.
Pareha ba rin siya sa barangay? Kaya di ba pwede
Oo.
ko sa barangay maghusay? So, sa maning classic.
Doon kayo mag-proside sa barangay.
So, at least mas relatable
Oo.
sa mga
Yeah.
magtanaw.
Mag-adlib lang ka na, perminti ra ba gid kay highest ginang couple nga mga uya. Ay, kaya away.
Mag-away.
Oh, anyway. Yes, attorney.
An impeachment proceeding is really, it's a political action for me, no? It's sui generis. So what do we mean by that? It's in a class of its own. Kakaiba. It's different. You cannot, wala siya katulad, basically. So, if you're talking like common kita, no? Kung kasuhan ta sa korte, criminal case, we have to prove it beyond a reasonable doubt.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, permit na madungog, unreasonable doubt. So, grabe yung ebidensya kung ako ang
Okay.
fiscal.
Di na mahilan.
Di na good, no? Beyond na good, no? So, grabe ni mong evidence ka na, attorney. What's...
Here, it's not the same. Wala tay quantum of evidence, wala tay threshold na dapat maabot. It's really a different kind of action. So, actually, sakto tayo mong ginaingon, no? A common complaint of the current impeachment that is going on is that it is being too legalized.
Tama.
Ginahimo siya
Ito.
na
Kung makita na mo, attorney, di may lawyer, ha? Di may student, pero amo mura po ni siya na sa korte, kaya nakakita na korte ba? Nang,
Or sa mga TV shows,
o,
bitaw?
mga TV shows. So, mura nga na mong, kilahi po tong sa una nga akong nakita, katong kang CJ, Corona, lahi po. Karon kay mura gid siya og
Yes.
the same with courts nga akong gakakita.
Very technical.
And for me, I think it does a disservice to the people because even in courts, no, technical rules should bow down to substantive issues. So, may pasabot na mo anahan, no. Although yes, important ang rules, but ang pinaka-importante magod in ani, labi na in an impeachment proceeding is what is the truth. Okay? Because
Kamatuoran.
okay, because the truth would really divulge if that official violated his or her responsibilities as an official of the government. So if we put too much legalese bitaw ka ng butangan kay natog dapat kani buhaton dapat anira
Yan ang nararamdaman namin.
basin we try
Tinuod.
to hide the truth tuloy
Oh, mura bitaw.
na ultimately
Tinuod na
man
siya.
mo magid ang atong gusto unta na maabot. Okay?
kamatuoran.
So
True.
I think we have to relax the rules a bit more in the current impeachment proceeding, but I understand also the need for there to be a rules, the need for there to be rules because of course gusto po nato tagaan ng due process
Og fairness.
and
diba?
fairness, everyone involved. It's just that
Yes.
due process should not trump the truth and accountability. Kasi yun naman ang mas mahalaga sa ordinaryong Pilipino.
Ay,
It's very
correct gid na.
interesting.
Kay mo ganing naanan dira para makabalutad truth. And kung unsa man gani ang resulta sa truth ana, wala dawaton sa
Yes.
sa mga Pilipino. Ang napug ko yung napansin ng Godjebi kanang sakto ra ba nang mura og kasi mura it is political. So naay mga pangutan, uy, anong mura naman ig senador nga ni depensa.
Tinuod.
O dapat judge ramang ka. Pero nabaya na nga mechanics nga pwede ba sila mahimong at the same time parang lawyer ka ng
defense or ng kuan, ng prosecution, o
ingana ba ang way sa
sa entire process. Yes,
Oo,
pero
pwede
very libog po siya kay, for example, mga senador elected, 'di ba? And they are politically leaning with kay syempre election, ingunana. Tapos karon nga judge na sila, they have to be impartial. Medyo weird, di pa na murag lisod nga i-balance nila.
So, how
nga
unsa man na-
impartial sila. How do that work?
No, definitely it's not allowed, no, that you are going to be biased one way or the other.
So judge ra jud ka attorney.
Yes,
Pag ana nimo na isa ng uniform
when you
niyo.
take on the robe,
Ilang robe. Ilang
when
red nga
you-
robe.
Lahi man ako robe nakita. So, sige tayo ko.
Mo insert jud ba? Iana jud.
murag lisod gid nga kuweba ba? No? Very interesting case.
Gali.
I'm really curious.
Kaya attorney go. Daming sapsap niya to. Saan kaya attorney go?
But when you put on the robe, when you take your oath, okay, part doon na you are going to be biased and impartial. So you have to look at the evidence presented by both sides, not only one side.
Correct.
Okay? Timbangon nimo siya. You leave your political leanings out the door, kumbaga. So, take note, when you become a senator judge, essentially, you're taking an oath to the Filipino people that you will seek the truth and you will vote according to your conscience on how you appreciate the evidence presented. Pero behind it all, ang imuging una is that you're supposed to do this for the Filipino people, not for a particular political camp. That should be very clear to our judges. And I agree, I share in your observations that naagitay certain judges that their questions could be somehow biased, but let's still give them the benefit of the doubt.
Correct.
First article of impeachment pa naman.
Tinuod.
Okay? And
First pa pala yan, no?
yes,
14 days
it
ata,
might
di ba?
take daw a year sabi
Nan,
nila according
grabe.
to their schedule.
Tapos
So,
pag-
yun.
Makagraduate na lang siguro ko, murag na pa impeachment.
So, pero
1
wala
year
may
mo daw.
limit, attorney?
No, as long as they change the system karon. They included kasi a pre-trial, quote-unquote, pre-trial conference. No? They
Ay,
set
oh,
schedules
yes.
and hearings. In
But
previous...
pwede na.
Yes, in previous...
Legal ng pre-trial.
Yes, because the Constitution provides, under the Senate, they're allowed to adapt the rules. Nga gusto nila aton.
Okay. Mo nang bag-o ngayon sa rules.
Yes. But it's also a good mechanism. Makita niyo mo, no? Actually, I think Senator Chiz Escudero was the one who suggested that. You can really see na he's a practicing lawyer kasi for us, kuan mo guna siya, mas schedule na. Pila ka adlaw ang kailangan sa prosecution. Pila ka adlaw ang kailangan sa defense. So, everybody can prepare accordingly. The
Walang
evidence
10
is
days,
already
15
marked.
days, walang
Mas
mga-
planado sa
So,
kuan,
it makes the
presentation.
entire thing more systematic. Okay? Unlike the previous impeachment hearings.
Kaya pala parang napansin na ako, makatupaspas lagi kayo ito na-impeach tong mga sauna. Ngayon kaya parang mag-change na ng Congress, ikapila na, mag-20th Congress na.
I think so.
Oo.
So kung maging
21st na.
attorney,
21st.
21st ba? I don't know.
Mag-21st na ata.
Pwede pa na, magpadayon gina.
Well,
Allowed na.
Na, mura ba na yung question na itong first nga, kuan, kung
yeah.
carry
Dili
over
na siya
ba?
part sa plenary or dili na siya part particularly na specific Congress because they are the impeachment trial or tribunal is being constituted as a separate entity. So,
okay.
it's really...
So, bisan pag mga senador ang nadira, dili, lahi siya sa actual Senate ang impeachment
Well, essentially, yes. That's why there are certain rules or certain madungog na ninyo if there are manifestations in the impeachment, in the current impeachment trial. One of the judges would say, I think this is best observed or talked about in the plenary. This is a separate matter. So, kaya it's a different court. It's a special. It's convened by the senator judges of that particular Congress. But it's really essentially a separate court.
So balik lang tayo, si Congress ang mo lodge sa
Si House ang
good.
mo file.
So ang mag-judge na gid ang Senate na gid na attorney.
Yes.
Ngano makakita kog ubang Congress man? For example, si Chel Joc no makita na ako sa ngano naman na siya diraa.
Because essentially, it's the House that accuses it. It's the House of
Okay.
Representatives that accuses. Mo man na atong proseso, right? When we file a verified impeachment complaint, as we've already talked about, it's the Congress that looks at the form and substance. No?
Okay.
Naaba ni unod ilang reklamo. Naaba ni, does this have a legal or factual
Correct.
basis to stand on?
Correct.
So, if the Congress does vote in that particular manner, then saka lang na siya matransmit ang articles of impeachment to the Senate. And essentially, that's why we see kanang mga congressman nato diraa kay they are the prosecutors, the House
Okay.
prosecutors.
That's why.
Pero as also practiced commonly, no, nakapod sila yung ginakuha na private lawyers, no? The
Mga
brilliant
private prosecutors
the
daw.
brilliant attorney Ligutan, so on and so
Ay,
forth. right?
kuhan kayo. Sikat kayo karon.
They're all, for me, all the
Even
lawyers
the
there.
defense,
Oh,
yung mga young,
Prosecution
yes.
or defense,
The
they're
young
all brilliant.
lawyers, yes.
Okay, I cannot imagine putting myself out there to be judged and
Yes.
ridiculed
In
by
live.
a lot of people.
Tama.
No?
Sa tanan pag yun nga
Sabi
mga
ko nga,
media outlet.
Awayon na giaway sa attorney Ligutan sa iyong boto. So, diba ka nang
Yun,
Bisag
away
unsa
kasi
na
ang
lang.
foundation.
foundation.
No, alright?
Tinood.
Yakitani nga watay foundation, watay pulbo.
May ragyo di ay.
Lagi dahil nga dili ta lawyer. Bitaw attorney no kay kanang kuan manggod dagay karon ba murag intriguing kay daghan kay taong makita unya akong pangutana kinahanglan ba gid na siya 24/7 televised and pila man na ka oras dapat tibuok ba gyud
Nagi special
Na by-
coverage
oh,
actually karon ng
kanang
mga media
required ba
outlet.
media sa balaod lang legally nga hoy kamo dapat mo cover mo ay dili mi mo cover mi aning for example sa dito rami mo cover rami og palaro kong kuan
Well,
kagusan sila oh yeah.
Wala naman talagang law that requires the media to be present. However, the law does require that the trial be public. Okay? Balik na dito, public office is a public trust. So, the people repose their trust on that particular official. So, at the same time, if Congress no or the Senate would remove that official from that public trust, then rightly so that the public should be informed bago ninyo tangtangon. Okay? That's why we have a right, we as the public have a right to know na, okay, kung ipa-impeach ninyo siya nga official, what are the grounds? Kung sa manang evidence, is it really true or not? Kay, di ba, it's the judges who will decide, but ultimately also, the people will decide one way or the other. If in fact there is truth to all the allegations presented against that particular official.
Kita attorney kay wajud ko giganahan sa ilahang desisyon. Kita lang attorney ha mag 21st na mag 20th Congress niya. Mo na desisyon nila sa ongoing ay current na impeachment. Mutindog kog magbuhat kog movement diri sa arrest.
Dahil sa botohan.
Oh, mangutan ako dili pwede kay public trust good.
So,
kami
ipa-reverse.
dapat yung sundon. Ingani akong gusto, ingani mong gusto kintay ha maka-mobilize lagi nga na. Unsa may mahitabuan na pwede bang magyaw-yaw ko na attorney nga di na mao. Okay, di man ko judge. Sama na.
Under the Constitution, pwede manginta magyaw-yaw, no? In fact, we did that during the trial of President Arab, no? When they chose not to open the infamous box.
Yes,
Okay?
selections.
And we remember certain senators dancing
Tama.
only for the people
Correct.
to be very, very angry, no? And
EDSA
sila
dos
sa
na
dalan.
dayon.
Yan, nagka-EDSA dos. However, if the question is mag-file og appeal, no? Under the court, kibali wa taganahi. Kay ibutang na nato no sa criminal cases kung nasa RTC, Regional Trial Court, kibali wa ko ganahi sa resulta, pwede man ako na i-appeal sa Court of Appeals. And if di gihapon ko ganahan sa decision sa Court of Appeals, di gihapon ako dawaton Supreme Court again.
Ito na sa Supreme Court.
Unfortunately, in this particular case, since it's a political political action, sabi nga natin sui generis, no? So there is no ordinary appeal that we can take. If we do not like the decision of the judge, no, maingon ta nga, klaro magid kaayo to siya nga guilty pero not guilty kasi kaalyado or kung ano man yan, no? Unfortunately, we cannot file to the Supreme Court and say na, uy, ipa-change niyo yung decision kasi hindi naman talaga mao kung unsa, di ba? Kung there was bias attendant to that decision. Unfortunately, hindi ganon. The Supreme Court can only intervene if there was a grave abuse of discretion regarding the process. Sa proseso lang. Pero the
It's
Supreme
very
Court...
technical.
Yes.
Like,
Maugali.
kintay kung mag-impeachment trial mi karong alas 6 sa gabi nang mga nga na, pwede mong intervene. Dira ra ang power ni Supreme Court attorney.
To intervene, but it cannot substitute its wisdom for the wisdom of the senators.
So kung may intervene magay siya, ipautro ra niya ang trial or
Ipa-change lang ang sistema. If you recall,
So dili niya mapatigil.
in the previous
katong first impeachment na na-file, di ba?
Okay. And then they said that it violated the due process of the vice
Right,
president.
yeah.
So it rendered essentially void the first impeachment complaint, no? And then that's why we have the current one. Pero there are various actions or suits filed na nagaingon niya sayop na po daw ni ang proseso
Oo, di ba
karon.
nag-file na po sila
Okay.
baguhay lang sa
Pero
during
wala
sa
pa may
trial.
decision ng Supreme Court. Okay, one way or the other. And I really think also the Supreme Court at this stage, kay the impeachment proceeding is already ongoing.
Correct.
Unlike before, di ba?
Yeah,
wala
unlike
pa.
before na wala pa. It's a
Correct,
political question eh. So,
Exactly. It is.
commonly talaga ang Supreme Court ngayon nga, bahala na mo dira mga politiko.
Correct.
Inyo man ang
correct.
trabaho.
Inyo man ang trabaho
Correct.
under our Constitution. Pero syempre, the Supreme Court is just really there to ensure fairness. That's really its role. Na the law should be applied to all fairly. No one should be above the law or under it. Mao lang gina.
Tama. Pero attorney, naka-mention man ka og katong intervention sa Supreme Court during the first bitaw nga
Yes.
kuan. Ang nakita mo gud namo nga difference kay sa una gilargo ra bitaw, di ba? Katong voting na dayon sa House unya niabot pila to 2/3 unya i-transmit sa Senate niya. Ang Senate dili sa mukuan. But right now
Receive.
naibago sa process nga unsa to na-term na mini trial,
Yes.
question na pud na sa defense karon kay ngano daw nag mini trial. So nganong naaman to ingon ana nga process ng mini trial?
Well, they really did it. If you listen to the House prosecutors, no, they did it to, kumbaga, to ensure nga, dili na sila mapitkan sa Supreme Court. Kay,
sakto na yung
sakto na ang
process.
process. So,
the
mali,
last time.
mali.
Pero
magdaya
people
ito
are
sa
still
una.
saying nga, mali gihapon na ilang gibuhat karon. But it's important to note that really the House has the power to initiate its own rules. So with the Senate, no, they have the power to come up or promulgate with their own rules. And the Supreme Court usually does not interfere because again, there are separate branches of government. So
Equal kayo.
yes.
So muna siya ngayon, muna nga sakto nang imong gi-emphasize karon attorney Diana. Ano galing kanus ara ka mo intervene kay mo
Kano sa ramo pitik si Supreme
kanus ara
Court
ka
sa kuan.
pitkan kay mo gani permit question ba kay Dagan ba mo judge ng mga tao karon?
Lawyer
diba?
na actually tanan. Basta
Oo.
na lang kay Facebook, lawyer na ka.
eh.
But that's actually good. Kaya at
That's a
least
good thing, no?
naka-appeal ba? Oo.
I really love looking at my Facebook feed nga. Everybody is involved in it.
Na
Because
sila lang own comment.
it's a good thing if people are interested in the law. And it's a good thing if you know what your rights are. And but also kung saan responsibilidad sa atong mga politiko. For the longest time, parang we see them as saviors and, you know, people nga
Taas
sobrang
sa ato.
kataas.
Hindi, pangaluan na mo sponsorship man na.
Solicitation.
Mag-solicit ko kay Mato kog Indonesia Senator.
Kaya-
Ayan.